Alright. I'm in the middle. Well, I just got done taking my break. I'm cleaning house. I got a few days off. And I haven't done a vid of the biddies in a really long time. So I'm going to show you what they look like now. And I think they're almost a year old. George. That's Miss Pepper Potts, one of our older cats. And George is not being very nice. Anyway, it's best just to ignore that and they will sort it out. Here's Duchess, Mama Kitty, and baby. And Poppy, Leroy, and Patrick. Hi. Hi, Patrick. Hi, buddy. Good boy. Hey. I don't know where Diana is. She's probably in the bedroom. So they're not in the garage anymore. I cleaned out Mike's office and gave Mike my office, which he's using, and we made this their room. And what's the matter, guys? You guys ready to go back already? They're not used to being out, so I've been letting them out a little bit every day. And I give them their food. I put it up here so the dog doesn't get it. Hi. Hi, guys. Oh. No. Hi, George. Hi, Georgie. I know. Okay, I can't really squat down because of George. There's George. Hi, George. Yeah. Anyway. See, everybody's doing really good. So the room's not perfect, but I don't plan on them living in here. I want to integrate them into the household. So this is just to keep them safe when we're not able to be with them. All right, looks like you guys are ready to go back in your room. Come on, George. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, not everybody. Diana. You guys will go. Oh, no, you don't want to. It's okay, you can stay out. Yeah, you do. You do. All right, guys. And there they are, the biddies. Thanks, George. Thank you, George. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. No, that door doesn't work, thanks to you. You can't go out that way. Come on, this way. We just got done celebrating 4th of July, and it was also Joseph's birthday. And they had a good time, and now I've got a couple of days before I have to go back to work, and I'm cleaning, and I'm not getting anywhere because since everybody's home, as soon as I clean, it's dirty again, but that's okay. You ready to go out, George? Goodness. And they're going to come out here and clean up their 4th of July mess today. Yes, today. All right. Sorry I haven't had the biddies on for a while. But as you can see, they're doing really good. This is Lilu. Hi, Lilu. This is my youngest son's baby. Hi, honey. Yes, I know. No, you can't go out. Don't let her out, even though I realize she's been sneaking out. So we have raccoons that come on the porch every morning, and they ripped a hole in the screen, and she's been like going out at night and hopping back in, which we didn't know. And we don't want her out because she has severe allergies, but she's doing pretty good. Anyway, guys, I hope everybody had a safe and happy 4th of July. No matter where you are in the world, we appreciate you dropping by and being our friends. And that's going to be all for the vid. Till next time.